Lies and all sorts of fabrications spread about us online when we're walking down the street. Our lives have never been the same after coming out about this. And one has to wonder, so this is what the last 8 years of our lives has come down to. The main concern wasn't even the knowing of what he did to us. It's knowing that he's not gonna stop. He's gonna continue doing this to other women and other girls. And that's what we wanted to stop. That's what we wanted to prevent. To say it ends with us and it's not gonna go any further. But he's not gonna stop. It's in his nature. And I feel that this is kind of enabling to him. I think things may only get worse from here. Definitely gonna be more pompous and believe that this is an act of God. And it's not. I think we're all familiar with the fact that evil prevails in this world. And it's really unfortunate.
The accused are found not guilty and are discharged on all the charges.
Man of God, how do you feel at the moment? It's been a long road.
The only thing I can say, I thank God. I thank God. I give him all praise. I am 67 by July, next July. I've been in prison for 80 years. For 80 years.
Are you looking to maybe, take legal action forward, seeing as you're not guilty and you've spent so many years?
I think it's better for me to rest first.
Yeah.
I've been in prison for 80 years at this age. So I think we should give some time for that.
Pastor, sorry, what's the first thing you want to do when you get out of prison after 8 years?
Only God can tell me. When it is time, God will speak to me.